In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change host in Calendly. So firstly, you want to go to Calendly and you want to be signed to your account. And then you want to go to scheduling over here. And from here, you can see your meetings. So if the meeting is already created, like this one, for example, this first one, and you want to click on it, you are not going to be able to change the host. So if I scroll over here, you can see the host is me. And if I click on this arrow, you can't change it. All right. So you can add it only when you are creating a new meeting. So let's say I'm going to click on create, then a group. And from here, you want to select the locations. Let's say it's going to be Zoom meeting. And from here, you can see that I can change the host. So I can search for someone. And if member was not found, you want to add this person to your account. So from here, you can type emails or email of the person you want to invite. So for example, I'm going to type this guy, and now you just want to type next email. If you want to add more people, then you can click on the next set roles. And from here, you can also choose if you want to make him a user or admin. So if I choose him as an admin, then send invitation. And if they accept the invitation in Calendly, and after they accepted your invitation, you can try to create a new event. So let's say one-on-one. And now if I click on host, you can see I can choose from different persons. So I can choose also this one or me. And then the person is going to be host. So you can see you will be the owner of this event type, so you will be able to edit it. But this guy should be host. All right, so this is how you can change host in Calendly. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.